This is the sequel to Trailer Trash Cat, or Cat Left Out in the Cold. He came to my life January 6th. We brought him to the vet and gave him
good boy
rabies shots and feline leukemia shot. And this is him today, and you can tell he's doing really well. Had to cut off all his long, beautiful hair from the dreadlocks and the matting that he had. And this cat was totally wild, and now he's just so playful and so lovely. But I want to show him how healthy he's made it from just care and a lot of love. And you can notice just his fur shines, and he's so healthy right now. And he's just a lot of love, and just been a really wonderful cat. And, you know, a good doctor, and of course, faith is the number one ingredient. And God loves your pets, because I believe He gave them to you to manage and to take care of. And you can see he's gotten 2 mice in one day. And this was Thanksgiving. And so he was thankful, and he was giving me a present as well. And I named him Art, and he sits in my art studio and watches me paint. And there's a couple of paintings I did this last week. And there he is watching me. So even though how healthy you think they are, they could turn for the worst. And there he is one night in my studio, and he took a turn for the worse. Woke up in the morning, his fur was all greasy. I could tell he was lethargic, and something was wrong. He wouldn't drink, he wouldn't eat. After about 3 days, I got him up to the sink, and he would drink out of the sink. But it was sketchy, and I felt that he had a fever, and I called the vet, and they were able to give me some antibiotics. And also went to a feed and grange type cattle store and got these antibiotics, and put it in a syringe and shot it down his throat, and was able to restore him. And you could tell he's just kind of licking all the gunk off his fur, you know, just like, why did you do this to me? And he got bad again. And so the faith, we just believed God that He'd heal him, and gave him a sponge bath, got him all cleaned up, sat on the bed, and just listened to this wonderful music. And I hope you like my movie. And this is Art, my rescue. I will lift my eyes, worship you, my King. Will find my strength, shadows of your wings. The Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, you are holy. Praise God, Art.